Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing Spotify versus Deezer. Let's start with Spotify. Spotify is the most popular music streaming service worldwide, known for its huge music library, smart recommendation, and strong social features. It has become the go-to platform for discovering and sharing music. It has over 100 million tracks available, free tier with ads plus premium subscription, personalized playlists like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and daily mixes, podcast integration directly in the app, and cross-platform support on iOS, Android, desktop, smart speakers, and gaming consoles. It has some social features like sharing playlists and see what friends are listening to. Also, there's offline listening for premium users. But the free version has ads and limited skips, lower audio quality compared to some competitors, and no lossless hi-fi option yet, despite being promised, and they have announced that they are going to include it in the premium subscription. And also, family plan can be more expensive compared to Amazon bundles. Now moving on to Deezer. Deezer is a French music streaming service available in over 180 countries. It's known for its hi-fi audio quality and flow feature, which creates endless mixes tailored to your taste. It has an audio quality depending on the tier. The free tier has 128 kilobytes MP3. The premium has 320 kilobytes MP3, and hi-fi plan has the FLAC 16-bit and 44.1 kHz lossless audio. It has an AI-powered personalized soundtrack that learns your habits and suggests music, and has over 120 million tracks. It has a built-in synced lyrics for many songs and works on most devices like smartphones, desktops, smart TVs, speakers, and even car systems. But the hi-fi audio locked behind the hi-fi plan, extra costs in some regions, and smaller social features compared to Spotify, and playlist curation and discovery are good but less engaging than Spotify's. So, Deezer wins on sound quality thanks to its hi-fi FLAC option, which is perfect for audio files. And Spotify wins on discovery and social features, making it better for casual listeners who want fresh recommendations and easy sharing. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.